Hey everyone, Nathan Hall here. Today's lesson is on capitalization. This is a grammar point. Not going to be too exciting with this one, but it is a very important skill to learn. It's something I will be grading you on a lot, and it's something we're going to go over because there are very set rules for capitalization. If you master them, makes your writing go a long way. It'll look better on the English placement test, on the maps test. Any test you take that involves writing, learn good capitalization. So the rules for big letters, small letters, different than they are in Spanish than in English. So if you mainly had Spanish education, well, wait, that doesn't make sense. If you already know the rules, this is going to be an easy assignment for you. But the rules are consistent. They tend to be the same. So three big ones we're going to look at. Start every sentence with a capital letter. So here, let's look at the next slide. We have a quote from Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. So you can see here what gets capitalized. Well, his name does, but the first letter of every sentence does as well. This is a big thing for Spanish we're going to talk about. The I. If you're talking about yourself, the I. You're worth a big letter. So when you deal with a pronoun, these are words that take place of other nouns. He, she, it, him, her, we, they. Don't capitalize those. But I, you, yeah, you, deserve a big letter. Here's an example, basketball one, from a 7-foot-tall guy who cannot throw free throws. My father made me. See, the me is not capitalized, but the I am. First letter is capitalized here. So, let's see. He gave me a ball. The it is never capitalized, but the I always is. The next one, proper nouns. This is the name of a very specific person, place, or item. That sounds simple, but there's a lot of things that are going to get capitalized. All names, first and last. All places, days and months. It's something different in Spanish, but in English we capitalize that. Holidays always get capitalized. Titles, usually a little different. You notice that the little words, like the and the, not capitalized. Usually if you see Harry Potter, they just capitalize everything. Try to be cheap. And historic events, the Renaissance down here in the corner, that's when we had the revival of arts and sciences, and Bronze Age. Up here, that was around Jesus' time. Actually, way before then. So, proper nouns. So, man, okay, it could be any man, but a specific man. Victor Hugo, he wrote The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Walt Disney, any mountain, one not capitalized. We want this one, Mount Kilimanjaro, capitalize it. Any building, no. Empire State Building, you would. So, cat, your pet's names get capitalized. So this is a big thing to notice on the differences here between English and Spanish. In English, we capitalize months, days of the week. Spanish, nope. English, capitalize the first letter in titles. First letter, I'm going to change this real fast. So Spanish, it's just the first word. So Star Wars in English, we capitalize the star and the wars. La Guerra de las Galaxias, nope. Personal titles, Mrs. Sullivan. Spanish, only if you're going to call her Senora Sullivan. Everyone here knows Miss Sullivan, right? Great woman. So, La Senora Sullivan. When we call her that, we don't capitalize it. Proper nouns like religions. It's in English, Catholic. The Pope is coming as I'm doing this. He might already be here by the time this lesson goes out. So, mi madre says Catolica. Don't capitalize it. Place names and words taken from them. I speak English and I'm from England. In Spanish, hablo inglés, we don't capitalize the I. Y soy de la Inglaterra. No, we capitalize the I there. Okay. So capitalize the I when you talk about yourself. In Spanish, you don't capitalize the yo. I will give you some tests on that. So here's the things we'll go through for the activities. We'll go over these in live class. One to look at here. San Juan. You would capitalize them both. Southern, This Rhino country is Southern Europe, so you don't capitalize that. But South Carolina is the name of a state. We have to keep that. Let's see. So that's some of the tricky ones here. Abbreviations and acronyms, proper names. USA, Estados Unidos. It's an abbreviation. So I play soccer, I see it as EUA. But that's the reason why we do it. So we'll do some activities, then you have an editing test. We'll go over this in the live class. Shouldn't take long. And that's all I have. So any questions, you can visit a cafe, come to the live class. I'll do my best to help you. Thank you. Goodbye.